Okay, so let's continue, okay? So again, when you say angry, okay, a person is filled with anger, okay? So you have a strong feeling of being upset, okay, or you are annoyed, okay? Like for example, when someone took something from you, so you can feel angry, or you can be filled with anger, okay? Okay, now let's talk about number two. So, number two, the word is violence. Okay, so as you can see here, it is the use of physical force to harm someone, to damage property, etc. Okay, like for example, if you saw someone on the street, okay, and they are fighting and they are actually hurting each other, so you can consider that as a violence. Okay, when they are physically hurting each other. Okay? Okay? Okay, now let's talk about the next word. Okay, so the next word is temper. Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, so when you say temper, okay, the tendency of someone to become angry. Okay, like for example, if you know a person who has a temper, that person is has a possibility to become angry. Okay, okay. Now let's talk about the next word, furious. Okay, so when you say furious, a person is very angry. Furious, furious. Okay. Now, when you say someone is furious, okay, that means a person is very angry. Okay? Okay? Okay, now let's talk about the last word, emotional. Okay, so like for example, if I am an emotional person, okay, I will likely to show or express my emotion. Like for example, if I'm excited, I can definitely show that. Or like for example, if I am the person who most of the time is sad, I can show it. Okay, I show it. Okay. Or like for example, I am the person that is um, depressed. Okay. Most of the time I will cry. So therefore, I can be emotional. Or, okay, like for example, if I'm excited about something, okay, I definitely show it. Okay. Therefore, I am an emotional person. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the sentence structure. Okay. So can you turn to page number three? Are you on page number three? Yeah? Okay, so on page number three, as you can see, there is a question. So the question is, was she very angry? Okay, so the possible answers are she hit the ceiling, or she was furious, or she lost her temper. Okay, so when you say someone hit the ceiling, so it means someone punched the ceiling. Okay? Hello, are you there? Are you still there? I cannot. Oh, okay. So, or when we say someone is furious, what does it mean? Oh, you can't hear me again. Okay, call me again. Maybe there's a problem again with your connection. Hello. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. Anyway, let's go to the discussion. So here, okay, I will pick a question since we are already out of time. I will pick just one question, okay? And all you have to do is to answer it, but be more expressive, okay? Okay. Okay, so do you think men and women show their anger differently? Okay, again, do you think men and women show their anger differently? Why? Can you explain that? They are, they will be more rational, or are you? Oh, you can't hear me again. Okay, can you hear me? Hello. Hi. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so what you're trying to say a while ago is that men are more rational? Rational or rational? Is this the word? Okay, rational. That is how you pronounce it. Okay, so men are more rational. Is that what you're trying to say? Oh, I see. Okay, anyway, as you can see, Maylene, we are already out of time. I know you have a problem with your internet connection, but I hope next time before the class, try to check your connection, okay? So that we will have a better class, okay? Okay. Now, can you tell me what are the things that you have learned? Mm-hmm. Furious, few. Okay. Yes, furious. Okay. Now, I will give you my I will give you now my feedback, okay? So today you quite did a good job. However, I still need you to practice when it comes to your pronunciation, okay? Like for example, the word angry, okay? It should be angry. And the next word is annoyed, annoyed, okay? And then the next word is violence, violence. Okay. And then the last word is furious. Okay. Furious. Okay. Okay. Now, I would suggest, okay, that you practice these words after the class and continue reading English books, okay, and continue attending our class, okay? Okay. And I hope next time that we have a better class, okay? So before I say goodbye, do you have any questions? What? Oh, okay. So bye for now. See you again on our next class, okay? Bye.